Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make like smooth like falling animations. Not really animations, but like smooth falling like animations, I guess. So go create a project. This is actually really simple. So you can just put your cat up here. And when green flag clicked, forever. This is like just a few blocks. Just takes a few blocks to make your character smoothly fall. So you're gonna make a variable, and you're gonna call this fall speed. And in the beginning, you're going to set fall speed to 0, and then forever change fall speed by negative I guess 0.3, let's say, and we change y by fall speed. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, you need to change your fall speed by like -1. Oh, yeah. Let's make when you first start, it makes it go to right there. Yeah, and then you can change this number to make him fall faster, -2. There, that's smooth falling. Oh wait, no. I think we should make a ground. And we should make like a ground. And this one we're going to repeat until touching color. This color. See? Now you can make, like, if you're making a platformer or something, then you can use this. And this will be just so you know, this will be the amount that it like falls per, I don't know, like the speed that it falls. Make sure it's always at negative, or else let's make it not go there to demonstrate. So that's what will happen. Well, that's it for this tutorial, and make sure it looks like this, and then this is what it will look like, and you can follow. So that's it for this tutorial, and bye.